working in the lab late one night, when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from its slab began to
21 Rockstar families, and welcome to our weekly VODCAST. I hope you guys are having an absolutely extraordinary week. I have an amazing VODCAST ready to kick off here with a ton of strategies. So let me get straight to my announcements. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for supporting our Jurassic World Family Night on Tuesday night. I know it was a packed house, but it was an epic night of learning. It was an epic day of learning, and I hope that you enjoyed the night as well. You guys are truly the very best families in Stafford County, and you just proved that one more time on Tuesday night. So thank you once again, guys, for all of your support. It really means a lot. And your scholars and their amazing school spirit was absolutely incredible all last week as we had Barrett Spirit Week here at school. It was epic. Almost the entire class participated each and every day. It was awesome, guys. Thank you so much for encouraging your scholar to support that as well. So we have a busy week coming up. First of all, coming up on Tuesday, we have two things. Trunk or Treat was rescheduled to Tuesday evening since it was raining last week from 6:30 to 7:15 p.m. here on the Kate Waller Barrett Elementary School bus ramp. Also on Tuesday, the Mineral Man is coming to school. Many of your scholars have already returned their permission form and their $8 fee, but I do ask that those scholars who have not done so already, please do so immediately. We have that permission form and the $8, either cash or check made payable to KWBES. The Mineral Man is absolutely exceptional. Your scholar will be taking home a half-pound bag of minerals that they mine out on the bus ramp on Tuesday. It's going to be an absolutely awesome way to apply what we're learning in the classroom with earth, with rocks and minerals in a real way. And it's just a really engaging day. It's going to be awesome, guys. So that's coming up on Tuesday. Additionally, coming up next Sunday is the White Tiger Color Fun Run. So if your scholar signed up, make certain that you guys go ahead and come out for that next Tuesday, the White Color Fun Run. I'm trying to think of any other updates or anything. The only other thing I can think of, guys, is tomorrow I will be sending home paperwork for our student-led conferences. We have conferences coming up the week of November 14th. They will be taking place on November 14th, 15th, and 16th here in room 21. They are student-led, so the first 10 minutes, your scholar is going to be leading the conference. In the second 10 minutes, I will come in with the report card and different things like that. It's going to be an absolutely incredible experience for your scholar and for you. We've been doing student-led conferences now for a couple of years here at Barrett, and they've been absolutely exceptional. So I'll be sending home a sign-up sheet for you to mark your top 3 times, and that will be coming up tomorrow. All of that paperwork will come home for student-led conferences. At the student-led conference, you will go home with the Barrett Academy and the Stafford County Public School report card for the first quarter of the year. I'm really looking forward to our student-led conferences, guys. So I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up. That paperwork will be coming home with your scholar tomorrow. And one final congratulations. Congratulations to this week's Rockstar of the Week, Mr. Logan Carpenter. Logan had an incredible level of passion and use of feedback when he was teaching this week in class, when he was called up to teach the math problem of the day. So I wanted to congratulate him for his effective effort in that area. Congratulations to this week's Rockstar of the Week, Mr. Logan Carpenter. And now, guys, I'm going to send you off to the strategy session, and I'll see you on the Hey, Room 21 Rockstars. Welcome to our weekly strategy session. You know, this week I'm going to keep it very brief, as I do recognize that it is Halloween, and it's Trunk or Treat, and we have everything in the world going on. So I have a couple of strategies to get to, and then I'm going to send you back off to Mr. Reichert in person. So first of all, I did want you guys to see the current Academy House Point standings, because if you check this out, the houses continue to switch places each and every week, it seems, and the blue house is currently in the lead once again this week. So, a couple of things in math, guys. We're going to be starting elapsed time, a review of elapsed time for the next couple of days, and then we'll be getting to equivalent fractions and decimals for the week. So I provided a couple of things here for you to actually look at. 2 IXL sites. The first one that I'm pointing to right now with the arrow is a little more basic. You're just finding the elapsed time based on clocks and different things like that. Remember, the elapsed time is the amount of time between something. And then the second one is actually going to put it into word problems. So what I'm going to do is, if you complete the problems here, those are going to be 2 each. But if you go ahead and complete the word problems and show me your work, those are going to be worth 5 house points each, okay? Because those are going to take a little more time, a little more focus, a little more effort there. So that will be the point value for each of those. In addition, the Math No Guessing Riddle of the Week is located right here, guys. The number that I'm thinking of and the clues. You can get 5 house points for that. I did leave up all of the different videos. You guys rock and rolled your order of operations assessment, by the way. I'll give that back to you guys tomorrow, Monday in class. But I did leave up the order of operation practice, and a lot of you told me, I'm not quite sure what the computer is doing here, but this will just be multiplication, okay? So that is multiplication. In that blank, I'm not quite sure what symbol that has created. If you didn't quite complete these order of operation problems, you can still get 2 points for those. I also have available for you guys a Ken Puzzle of the Week. And this challenge of the week, 2 of your classmates have completed so far. I thought it was pretty cool. So if I want you to try to write a numerical expression with at least 4 different numbers. Okay, so you need an expression with 4 different numbers that uses parentheses, exponents, division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition that is equal to a simplified answer of 10. You can go ahead and bring your work in for 10 house points this week. I did keep the writing fix of the week, guys, the same for this week, thinking about the most important things about August, the most important things about Jack, and the most important things about Julian. That is all the same for the week. Now, the secret hashtag of the week for 5 house points is hashtag the melted crayon. Hashtag the melted crayon. Bring that in with some amazing passion, and you'll get yourself 5 house points, guys, as well. Now I'm going to send you guys back off to Mr. Reichard in person. Rockstar families, I hope that those strategies were successful. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, do not hesitate to contact me. Remember, tomorrow's student-led conference information will be coming home for you to pick a time to sign up and come in for the student-led conference the week of November 14th. As always, each and every one of you are the very best families in Stafford County, and I sincerely mean that. And I will see each and every one of you next week.
I was working in the lab late